Hello, my name is Maciej and today I'm going to take you for the tour into Hardtank's private label RTD facility. We're going to present you how you can create your own RTD lineup together with us. Let's go! Because we are in the food processing facility, I have to wear this beautiful protective clothes, but don't get distracted. The core of our facility is of course Hardtank cold extraction technology, and the heart of this facility is the big Hardtank behind my back. If you know Hardtank Technology already, you're probably affiliated with Baby Hardtank or Hardtank 20, which are our cold brew makers dedicated for cafes or restaurants or bars, an example. Here we can see an industrial size Hardtank that is capable of producing over 2,000 liters of cold brew per batch, which takes about 1 hour. But it's not just about coffee. You can extract tea, herbs, dried, fresh fruit. Any natural ingredient that comes to your mind is probably able to be extracted with Hardtank. And the purpose of how it works is similar to Baby Hardtank or Hardtank 20. So we have extraction baskets into which you usually put your ground coffee or tea leaves. Then the extraction baskets goes straight into the extraction chamber, which in case of big Hardtank, there are 3 instead of just 1, independently controlled. And then once the extraction is ready, in about an hour or so, it goes to the storage tank over there. So now, when your cold brew extraction is done, we have to blend it with some other ingredients if necessary, cool it down and start the canning process, which all happens behind that door in a separate room. So let's move over there. So the next step after extraction is blending your cold brew extract with other ingredients, such as oat milk, syrup, flavorings, or fresh fruit pulp, whatever comes to your mind. With us, you can create really broad portfolio of custom-made, ready-to-drink products, and it all happens in those storage/blending tanks. Each of those has digitally controlled liquid level and temperature control, as well as nitrogen pillow that removes oxygen from the tank, so that further protects us from the oxidation. It also has constant blending feature that assures maximum homogeneity of the drink from the first to the very last can. Speaking about canning, aluminum can is the most sustainable way of packaging for your beverages. It's lightweight, easy in transportation, it also cools down faster than a glass bottle, and the recycling ratio of aluminum in Europe is over 90%. We can't also forget that aluminum can is the only type of packaging allowing you to use liquid nitrogen to create this beautiful, creamy and fluffy cascade effect every time you pour your RTD drink into a glass. So how do we perform canning process itself? Well, it starts with the depalletization unit. We turn the cans upside down here to rinse them with a cleaning agent to make sure they are sanitized. Then the cans are being turned down to the upright position, flushed with nitrogen to remove the oxygen from the can. So we remove oxygen at every part of the production process. We are filling them with liquid, and each filling head is equipped with the digitally controlled flow meter to ensure accuracy of 1 milliliter. And one of the final parts of the canning process is applying the drop of liquid nitrogen to each and every can right before we are applying the lid on top of it and sealing each can. So if you don't want your drink to be infused with nitrogen because you prefer it fizzy, we can also carbonate it. So you can decide whether or not you would like to infuse them with one of those gases. The cans available are slim type, 200 or 250 ml. Shelf life and safety are the most important aspects of food production. Therefore, we pasteurize all of the products produced using a tunnel pasteurizer. This particular unit has 4 independent temperature zones and a speed control, so we can tailor the pasteurization curve individually for every single formula, assuring maximum quality but also long shelf life. In majority of the cases, the shelf life of our products are 12 months in room temperature, which is very important because you can get rid of a cold chain and massively reduce your distribution cost. I can't say enough about the safety and our focus on it. Because we are a BRCGS certified facility, we have to meet the most strict and highest standard in the food production globally. One of the elements to ensure the safety and consistency of our pasteurization process is a constant readout of the temperature inside of the pasteurizer's cans within a probe in it to make sure we are in line with the pasteurization curve. If anything is out of the spec, the red light should pop up and we have to stop the process and repeat it again. This is just one of many elements inside of the BRCGS regime that are required for us to maintain our certificate and renew it every single year. Customization is an essence of private label products. Therefore, we are using wraparound labels of finest quality, digitally printed in high resolution, giving you the flexibility of design in your product lineup and allowing low MOQs. MOQs are one of the most important parts of the privately labeled products. Anyone who've ever tried to produce such understands how essential it is to offer as low MOQs as possible to cater the needs of startup projects, small, medium and large clients, so we can grow together with you and allow you to launch your product, minimizing the risk. Therefore, our whole cooperation process is designed in a way to minimize the MOQs, which are just as low as 1 pallet for our standard portfolio of formulas and 2 pallets for custom-made formulas. I think that Hardtank offers by far the lowest MOQs on the market in their cold brew RTD range. When we say safety, we mean it. From the very beginning till the very end of production cycle. We are now in the final product warehouse, but as you can see, those pallets are not yet prepared for the shipping, and the reason being is they are waiting for the laboratory test results. Every single batch of a product we produce is tested in the accredited laboratory for microbiological purity, and only after we confirm that purity, we can wrap around pallets with foil and ship them away anywhere in the world. Variety of products is something that we constantly work and improve. Now you can choose one of over 20 different formulas containing coffee, tea, herbs or functional ingredients, but if it wasn't enough for your needs, our R&D team is here to help you creating your custom formula. Whether you'd like to make black cold brew with your own coffee beans or create something truly spectacular in terms of ingredients, our team has your back. Formulation service is a structurized process containing of 2 sampling rounds, each round containing of 3 to 6 iterations of your formula. Every time your samples are ready, we ship a sample package to you so you can taste it together with your team and provide the feedback on the provided feedback sheet. Once we have gone through that together, we redo the sample in the next round, making sure you will choose the perfect final formula, which you can then design in terms of the label, and we can verify in terms of the microbiological purity to make sure you are ready for the big product launch. Choosing Hardtank as your private label RTD partner results in low MOQs, unmatched quality, flexibility and variety of product, and maximum safety together with long shelf life. If you want to launch your product range with us, don't waste no time and give us a note. See you soon and cheers!